Today, we're talking about what is the best way to make international calls with your iPhone. So whether you're staying connected with family and friends overseas or traveling for business, there are a few different ways to make international calls on your iPhone. There are 3 ways to make international calls with iPhone using dialing codes. This is the traditional way to make international calls. For example, the dialing code for the United States is 1. So if you were calling a phone number in the United States, you would enter 1 plus the area code plus the phone number. Using Wi-Fi calling. To use Wi-Fi calling, you'll need to make sure your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi network and that Wi-Fi calling is enabled in your settings. Using international calling apps. These apps typically work by using VoIP, Voice over Internet Protocol technology, to route your calls over the internet. Some popular international calling apps include WhatsApp, Viber, and Skype. So if you have any questions about making international calls with iPhone, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.